1998 Chrysler Cirrus XLI. I bought this car with a no start condition. It would start, run 20 minutes, and then just die. You'd have to wait about 20 minutes to restart it again. But I ended up taking the whole intake manifold off, and there's a distributor way back in behind there. Did have to take a lot of stuff apart to get to that distributor, mainly the intake manifold. Put new spark plugs in when I took that apart. But actually it's a clean little car. I mean, I'm glad I bought it with that condition. The interior's decent in it. 124,891 miles for 1998. It is a really dreary, foggy day here in Missouri.